Good morning, Paul George from Allendale. It's May 7th, Monday morning, and commodity markets around the world are under pressure here this morning, basically off of the macroeconomic news coming out of France. With the elections in France, the Socialist Party won out the Sarkozy Party, and that is the first time in 17 years that we've seen that party in control. So that has got a lot of concern that the euro stability, will it be able to withstand the change in political actions when the voting and the elections take place over the next several months in other countries. The other news that's a bit supportive here to the grain markets is the basis. We've had strong basis in the central Illinois area. Processor down there on Friday bumped bids to 60 over the July. So a good strong market for old crop corn. However, new crop corn is struggling. Overnight we've seen further pressure there. A key number that we're watching on the December contract is from a technical standpoint, is this 523 area. If we close below 523, it looks like we could see some further pressure and possible move down to the $4.90 area in the December contract. So watch that as we go through the week. We also had CFTC reports on the commitment of traders on Friday afternoon, showed that the funds built up a large position in corn, over 9,000 contracts long there. They added to their long positions, added to new record positions in soybeans, over 10,500 contracts, and reduced their wheat short positions by 17,000 contracts. And that was as of Tuesday of last week. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we did see some liquidation in those positions as open interest showed some decline here later in the week. The crop conditions report and crop progress report out this afternoon will be watched very closely. How much corn did we get planted this last week? There certainly is going to be an increase there. It's not going to be as dramatic as last week, of course, but the corn planting progress should show some good increases. And the question is, will the USDA give us a crop conditions report this afternoon? That would be the earliest they ever reported crop conditions, if they do give us a number here this afternoon. However, my travels this last weekend from northern Illinois over to Burlington, Iowa, down to Pilot Grove, Missouri, around Columbia, Missouri, and then back through central Illinois, corn looks very good, and it looked like all the corn was up. You could row it, and the conditions there look good. However, some of the heavy rains that we've seen, there will be some replanting more than likely, as there were fields underwater as I drove back yesterday. The cattle and hogs livestock complex looks weak here again this morning, as it will get pressure from outside markets as well. Cutout values in beef down 67 in choice, down 79 in select. Pork values actually seen an increase on Friday of 76 cents, but I think we're going to need more than that to stop this snowball here that is rolling down the hill on the livestock complex. We need a change in attitude, a risk-on type attitude from investors, but right now we're seeing more liquidation in the CFTC report on the long side from the investor, managed money in both hogs and cattle. So those are things we're watching this week. We've got a big USDA supply-demand report coming out here on Thursday morning. Stay tuned. We'll keep you informed on what the estimates are there. Initially, I would say we're looking for a bearish report on corn and a bullish report on soybeans is what most of the analysts are suggesting right now. We'll get a little closer and see what fine-tune those calls, but that's would be initial reaction. So stay in touch with Allendale's Research. We'll keep you informed. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.